I knew she really wanted it by now. Says they're supposed to be drenched like they're sopping wet is the best way to do it. I'm like, oh, okay. She loves it. Well, they live in a climate where it's wet all the time, so looking like this, I wouldn't say it's bad for them, but she wants. She loves getting the feet, right? I must feel so good on her feet, Laura. The other foot. Good girl. The dog watching. Yeah, he likes the feet too. It must feel really warm and good. He likes the feet. See, she likes the bath. Why don't you? Wants to spread her wings, get as much of the water on it. She has 4 red feathers. You ever notice that? It's strange that in the animal kingdom, it's usually odd numbers. She has 4 red feathers. Beautiful. She rarely ever loses those. I don't have many of those. Every time we do this, she enjoys it more and more. This is which foot likes it better? The other foot. Come on. No, the other foot. Thank you, baby. I think her feet get dirty from walking up and down that perch. Water must feel so good on those feet. Never wanted that on her feet that much. Okay, sorry baby, bath time's over.